Om Shri Sai Ram. Sai Ram everyone, Sai Ram children. So today with Swami's grace, we are falling at Swami's feet. Swami, please bless us in learning this bhajan today. It's a very beautiful bhajan on Lord Krishna. Again, we are seeing Swami, we are seeing you in the form of Lord Krishna in this bhajan. So beautiful lyrics. And before we get started, I would like to introduce Viku with us, who is a Balavika student. He has accepted in learning this bhajan. Sai Ram, Viku.
Sai Ram.
Sai Ram. So let's quickly learn the initial details of this bhajan. This bhajan is in Hindi, Dayanidhe Hari Narayana. So a very beautiful melodious composition. The ragam of this bhajan, this is more on Keeravani ragam. Again, I'll show some of the sample bhajans of Keeravani, but this bhajan is, they call it as Mishra Keeravani because there are few notes in the Keeravani ragam where there is a little bit of deviation from the rag Keeravani. So that's why this bhajan is composed in Mishra Keeravani, but the base of this bhajan is in Keeravani ragam. And talam of this bhajan is a regular 8-beat bhajan, which in Carnatic we say Adi talam, right? So regular 8-beat bhajan. So the beat goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So regular 8-beat bhajan, what we normally sing for Swami in bhajans. And the common shruti that is taken is for ladies. We can take, ladies or girls, we can take F Panchamam, which is 4 Panchamam, or we can also, if that is high, we can opt for G, which is 5 Panchamam, accordingly, according to the voice. And for gents, can opt for A sharp Panchamam, which is 6.5 Panchamam, or if that is high, gents can opt for A accordingly, or if A is higher, you can take 1 shruti lower. So, and this bhajan is usually sung in the first half of the bhajan because this is a little slow bhajan. So usually taken in the first half of the bhajan. So probably, 5th or 6th bhajan in the usual bhajan session, this can be sung. Okay, now some of the other similar bhajans before we learn this bhajan and the meaning. So in Keeravani, when I say Keeravani ragam, right, there are a lot of bhajans. So as we all know, Jaya Kailashpati Shiva Shankara. So that is in Keeravani ragam. Or the other one, Muralidhara Murahara Natavara. So that is in Keeravani again. Another one, He Gananatha Gajanana He Ramba Gajanana. So these bhajans are in Keeravani ragam, but the one which we are going to learn today, there is little bit deviation. I'll tell you which lines has deviation while teaching the bhajan. So little bit off notes. That's why it's not off notes. It's a deviation from the regular ragam of Keeravani. So that's why it's called Mishra Keeravani, this ragam. So let's learn the meaning of this bhajan. Dayanidhe Hari Narayana. Such a beautiful, as we all know, Swami, when we see Swami during darshan in Puttaparthi, we see so much of love and so much of compassion that, seeing his face itself, we see that pouring on us, right? So Dayanidhe, Nidhe is basically the treasure. So Dayanidhe, Swami is full of compassion, full of daya. That's what Swami is. Dayanidhe Hari Narayana. Narayana, again we are saying Swami, you are Narayana, you are in the form of Krishna. Kripanidhe Sai Narayana. Swami is again having full treasure of, the mercy that, he shows, like even if we commit mistakes. Swami, we just need to ask Swami for forgiveness and he will definitely, forgive once we realize the mistake, right? As a student, whenever Balavikas, we used to go for performing dance before Swami, Swami often, gives a couple of notes on that, like saying, how we should behave as a child. He's full of mercy. Swami immediately, forgive our mistakes. Kripa Nidhe shows full of mercy to us. He's compassionate Lord. Hari Hari Om, Madhava Hari Om. Again, Om, it's a primeval sound, right? Like, our bhajan sessions also start with 3 Oms. So Om is basically, you know, when as a Balavika student, my guru taught us Om is the telephone number for Swami. The moment we dial telephone number, to make a call to anyone, when we say 3 Om, Swami is present right there. When we even, you know, start to sing for Swami, Swami will be manifesting there. Giridhara Bal, Madana Gopal. So Giridhara Bal, Lord Krishna. So beautiful Krishna. We are saying, Swami, we are seeing you in the form of Lord Krishna. Giridhara Bal, Madana Gopal. Such a sweet Lord. How Krishna is, Swami, you are like that. Sundara Sham, Sai Gopal. Swami, you are so Sundara, so beautiful Lord. Sundara Sham, Sai Gopal. Hari Hari Om, Madhava Hari Om. So let's learn this bhajan. Such a beautiful bhajan. So for learning session, we have taken F Panchamam. So if this is higher, again, you know, we can flip it to G or G sharp. So accordingly, we can take, like once we learn the bhajan, if anyone wants to sing this bhajan, they can go one shruti lower if it is higher also. Okay. So Viku, let's learn, okay? Daya Nidhe Nidhe Daya Nidhe Daya Nidhe Daya Nidhe Hari Narayana Dayanidhe Hari Narayana. Good. Dayanidhe. In Nidhe, that dha say second da, okay? Not first da. Dayanidhe Hari Narayana. Dayanidhe Hari Narayana. Very good. Again. Dayanidhe Hari Narayana. Dayanidhe Hari Narayana. Good. Kripanidhi Kripanidhe Sai Narayana Sai Narayana Kripanidhi Sai Narayana Kripanidhe Sai Narayana. Very good. Can you sing both the lines, Kanana? Dayanidhe Hari Narayana Kripanidhe Sai Narayana. Very good. Next line. Hari Hari Om Madhava Madhava. In Madhava, Hari Hari Om Madhava Madhava Hari. Correct. Hari Hari Om Madhava Hari Om Madhava Hari Om. So since that line is long, right, you have to conclude till Om, till that note. So you have to take a breath. Where will you take a breath? Hari Hari Om. Take a small breath there, okay? Hari, you don't sing continuously. Hari Hari Om Madhava Hari Om. So Om, till that it will be difficult. So Take a breath after Hari Hari Om. Before Madhava, take a small breath there. Hari Hari Om Madhava Hari Om. Sing.
Hari Hari Om Madhava Hari Om.
Good. Next line. Hari Hari Om Om
Hari Hari Om
Madhava Hari Om.
Madhava Hari Om.
Good. Can you sing both the Hari Hari Om? Sing.
Hari Hari Om Madhava Hari Om. Hari Hari Om Madhava Hari Om.
Good. That you can sing in the last Madhava. Okay. So before that we'll sing Hari Hari Om Madhava Hari Om. Hari Hari Om Om. That dip we are giving in Om. Hari Hari Om Madhava Hari Om. So the center third line Hari Hari Om, we'll keep it plain, and the last line will give little variation that I'll teach you again that note. Okay. So can you sing all the 3 lines now? 2 times. Sing like how we sing in the first speed. Okay. Sing.
Dayanidhe Hari Narayana Kripani Dayanidhe Hari Narayana Dayanidhe Hari Narayana Kripanidhe Sai Narayana Kripanidhe Sai Narayana.
Good.
Hari Hari Om Madhava Hari Om. Hari Hari Om Madhava Hari Om.
That we'll sing at the last. Okay. Second, let's keep it plain. Hari Hari Om Madhava Hari Om. Okay. Okay. Next line. Giridhar Bal.
Giridhar Bal.
Giridhar Bal.
Giridhar Bal.
Madan Gopal.
Madan Gopal.
Gopal, keep it plain. Madan Gopal.
Madan Gopal.
Giridhar Bal. Madan Gopal.
Giridhar Bal. Madan Gopal.
Sundara Sham. So that's why this is a deviation in the Ra Kiravani. So that's why you're getting little bit, you're deviating little bit from the Kiravani Ragam with an off note. How you're singing? Sundara Sham. Stand in that note. Sham. Sing.
Sundar Sham.
Correct. So Sundara in Da don't give stress in Da. Okay. Sundara Sham.
Sundar Sham.
Sai Gopal.
Sai Gopal.
Correct. Sundara Shyam Sai Gopal.
Sundar Shyam Sai Gopal.
In Sundara, the dha don't give stress. It is Sundara. It's not Sundhara. Whereas in Dayanidhe, it is Dayanidhe, not Dayanidhe. Did you understand, Kanna? So that dha you need to give a stress. In Sundara, that dha don't give a stress. Say Sundara. Sundara Shyam Sai Gopal. Sing.
Sundar Shyam Sai Gopal.
Correct. And in Sundara, second time you can sing Sundara, that Sundara, S-U-N-D-A, right? S-U-N-D, you're giving 2 times that curve, where first time you're giving Sundara, Sundara. Did you get the 2 curves?
Yeah.
So that time, like how you're giving Su, similarly, also give the same curve. So you're giving two up notes there. How you're singing? Sundara. Sing.
Sundar Shyam.
Very good. So sing first Sundara and sing second Sundara. Now sing both the Sundara, Shyam.
Sundar Shyam Sai Gopal.
Good. Second.
Sundar Shyam Sai Gopal.
Good. Do you have Shruti at your end, Kanna?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, so when you sing, you put the Shruti on and sing, okay? So when you're singing, I'll turn my Shruti off. So in that way, there is no lag. Okay. So let's sing from Giridhara Bal Madana Gopal, okay? I'll sing once till Sundara Shyam. You also repeat the same way, both the lines, okay? Giridhara Bal Madana Gopal Giridhara. And second time when we sing Giridhara, Giridhara Bal, that Bal, we are saying Swami, right? So with so much of love for Swami, say Giridhara Bal. Sing Giridhara Bal with the second time Giridhara, give that curve. Sing.
Giridhar Bal Madan Gopal.
Second time.
Giridhar Bal Madan Gopal.
Good. Sing Sundara Shyam.
Sundar Shyam Sai Gopal. Sundar Shyam Sai Gopal.
Good. After this, you will end with Hari Hari Om Madhava Hari Om. Sing.
Hari Hari Om Madhav Hari Om.
Second time when you sing this, Hari Hari Om. That is same like what you sang in the third line. Hari Hari Om Ma. So there Ma. Hit that note when you sing the last time. Hari Hari Om Madhava Hari Om. Did you understand? That Ma you're going up. First time Hari Hari Om Madhava Hari Om. Hari Hari Om Madhava. Okay? Madhava. Sing Madhava, that Madhava.
Madhava Hari Om.
Correct. So that when you sing second time, you can sing that line. Did you understand the whole bhajan, Kanna?
Yeah.
So can you sing the first beat fully and I'll follow. Okay?
So
what, Kanna?
2 times or 1 time each one?
2 times. Like how we sing the first beat, sing like that and place the Shruti at your end. Do you have Shruti near you?
Oh yeah.
Okay. Put F Panchamam at your end. Okay? And sing the first beat and I'll follow. Okay? You keep Shruti on at your end. start there.
Nidhe Hari Narayana.
Good. Dayanidhe Hari Narayana.
Dayanidhe Hari Narayana.
Dayanidhe Hari Narayana.
Kripanidhe Sai Narayana.
Kripanidhe Sai Narayana.
Kripanidhe Sai Narayana.
Good. Kripanidhe Sai Narayana.
Hari Hari Om Madhav Hari Om.
There. Hari Hari Om Madhava Hari Om. Even when you end that Om notes, the note should be clear where it falls, right? So Om, Om. So 4 notes. Try distinguished notes. Sing again Hari Hari Om. First Hari Hari Om.
Hari Hari Om Madhav Hari Om.
Hari Hari Om Madhava Hari Om.
Hari Hari Om Hari Hari Om Madhav Hari Om.
Hari Hari Om. Okay, if you are getting that last one again, that's okay. Sing the last one. Sing the last one, last line like what you sang, that Madhava. If you're comfortable with that, sing that here. Sing that. Hari
Hari Om Madhav Hari Om.
Hari Hari Om Madhava Hari Om.
Hari Hari Om Madhav Hari Om.
Hari Hari Om Madhava Hari Om.
Giridhar Bal Madan Gopal.
Giridhar Bal Madan Gopal.
Giridhar Bal Madan Gopal.
Giridhar Bal Madan Gopal.
Sundar Sham Sai Gopal.
Sundar Sham Sai Gopal.
Sundar Sham Sai Gopal.
Sundar Sham Sai Gopal.
Hari Hari Om Madhav Hari Om.
Hari Hari Om Madhava Hari Om.
Hari Hari Om Madhav Hari Om.
Very good. Hari Hari Om. That also I can give. Hari Hari Om Madhava Hari Om. Very good. So this whole what you sang is first speed. Okay. Now how will you sing second speed? Repeat after me. Okay. You can keep Shruti on at your end. I'll not keep Shruti at my end. Dayanidhe Hari Narayana.
Dayanidhe Hari Narayana.
Kripanidhe Sai Narayana.
कृपानिधे साई नारायणा।
गुड। हरि हरि ओम माधव हरि ओम।
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 गिरिधर बाल मदन गोपाल।
गिरिधर बाल मदन गोपाल।
सुंदर श्याम साई गोपाल।
सुंदर श्याम साई गोपाल।
हरि हरि ओम माधव हरि ओम।
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 Good. So after this, how will you end the bhajan?
दयानिधे हरि नारायणा। कृपानिधे साई नारायणा।
Very good. So always Daya Nidhe. When you say Nidhe, say the second dha. Can you sing just how you ended, right? Can you sing with Nidhe? So sing again.
दयानिधे हरि नारायणा। कृपानिधे साई नारायणा।
Very good. So the they always remember, okay? The rest all you sang correctly and Sundara, not Sundhara, Sundara. Okay? Good job, Kanna. Thank you, Satvik. Thank you, Viku. Okay, we'll quickly let us all sing together. I'll quickly run through the whole bhajan once and then we'll open the session for anyone who wants to sing this bhajan and or get clarifications. दयानिधे हरि नारायणा। दयानिधे हरि नारायणा। कृपानिधे साई नारायणा। कृपानिधे साई नारायणा। हरि हरि ओम माधव हरि ओम। हरि हरि ओम माधव हरि ओम। गिरिधर बाल मदन गोपाल। गिरिधर बाल मदन गोपाल। सुंदर श्याम साई गोपाल। सुंदर श्याम साई गोपाल। हरि हरि ओम माधव हरि ओम। हरि हरि ओम माधव हरि ओम। दयानिधे हरि नारायणा। कृपानिधे साई नारायणा। हरि हरि ओम माधव हरि ओम। हरि हरि ओम माधव हरि ओम। गिरिधर बाल मदन गोपाल। सुंदर श्याम साई गोपाल। हरि हरि ओम माधव हरि ओम। हरि हरि माधव हरि ओम। दयानिधे हरि नारायण कृपा